Hello everybody, welcome to AtNET Physics by Your video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Atomic and Nuclear Physics. The question is, in J.J. Thomson EBM experiment, electrons are accelerated through 2.6 keV. Enter the region of crossed electric field and magnetic field of strength 3.0 into 10 power plus 4 volt per meter and 1.0 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla respectively. It means what? Electric field is 3 into 10 power 4 and magnetic field is 1 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. And pass through it and undeflected. Undeflected means what? It is neither deviated in any direction. It means what? The impact produced by the electric and magnetic field are equal and opposite, and they made it pass through in a straight line. Okay. Then the specific charge is how much? A 1.6 into 10 power plus 10 coulombs per kilogram. Specific charge. What does it mean by specific charge? Charge to mass ratio. It means what? E by M. After all, J.J. Thomson experiment was carried out to determine the value of E by M only. So 1.7 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kilogram. C 1.5 into 10 power plus 11 coulomb per kilogram and 1.8 into 10 power plus 11 coulomb per kilogram. Which is the right answer? Let us find it. The specific charge of an electron E by M is equal to 1 by 2V. What is V? Accelerated voltage. 2.6 into kV. Into E square by V square. What is E? Electric field E. Its value is 3 into 10 power plus 4 mole per meter. What is the magnetic field? 1 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla. Now you can substitute the values in the equation. Accelerated potential capital V is equal to 2.6 kV. That means 2.6 into 10 power plus 3 volt. So substituting the values in the equation. The equation has been already given in the previous slide. E by M is equal to 1 by 2V into E square by V square. So we get E by M is equal to 1 by 2. Instead of V, substitute the value. 2.6 into 10 power plus 3 into E square, that is 3 into 10 power 4 square, into B square, it 1 into 10 power minus 3 the whole square. So it is equal to 1 by, what is 2 into 2.6? 5.2. 5.2 into 10 power plus 3 into what is 3 square? 9. 10 power 4 becomes 10 power 8 square, meaning square. 1 into 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 3 becomes 10 power minus 6 and this is square. So, in the numerator, we have 9 into 10 power plus 8. Okay, 9 into 10 power plus 8. The denominator, we have 5.1 by 5.2 into 1. Of course, need not be written. 5.2 into 10 power plus 3 into 10 power minus 6. This is 10 power plus 3 and this is 10 power minus 6. So it means what? 9 divided by 5.2 into 10 power. This is 10 power 3, this is 10 power minus 6. So the denominator ultimately has 10 power minus 3. When this 10 power minus 3 goes to the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 3. Already you have 10 power plus 8. Now you get 10 power plus 3. Totally it is 10 power plus 11. 10 power plus 11. What about the numerical values? 9 divided by 5.2. What is 9 divided by 5.2? 1.7. Is it right, sir? You just check it. 5.2 into 1.7. Rather to say 52 into 17. 2 into 17 for 34. 34. 5 into 17, 85. 85 plus 3, 88. So 884, which is nearly equal to 900. If you multiply 5.2 and 1.7, you will get 8.84, which is nearly equal to 9. Okay, that's all. So 1.7 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kilogram is the specific charge of the electron. That is charge to mass ratio. So option B is the right answer. Okay, option B is the right answer. Okay, so far we have discussed 13 questions from the chapter Atomic and Nuclear Physics in our video, put together from round 1 and round 2. Okay, that's all. We will discuss multiple choice questions from some other chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.